like an old gas station they turned into a beer place.
Oh, yeah. Watch this water here. It's pretty cool out here. As far as looks, not temperature, it's pretty warm here. A lot of different things going on here. It's a little town in Florida called Lagler. Gotta make sure I have my sound turned on in this. I was recording yesterday in certain parts and I didn't have the sound on or something.
Okay.
And it came up silent movies.
Okay.
So I'm still going to use them, but it's going to hear no voices. This is a neat place. Yeah, people sitting out here in 2 levels here eating.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a little cafe. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Kind of reminds you of a New Orleans style or something.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Colin. He's way back there. Nice day for a bike ride. Hotel free out here. I like these palm trees. Little Hope Motel. It's pretty odd just seeing all this because up north you only see this kind of activity in beaches in the summertime, but down here they have it right now in December. Say the temperature here is in the mid 70s. Right back home where I'm from, it's in the 30s. Smoke shop, man. We give you a peace pipe. Okay, call a roll at this point.